Hi, welcome to eQSystems. In this video, we are going to talk about ITIL qualification. The basic qualification in ITIL is known as ITIL Foundation. It is essentially a 3-day training program. After completing the training, on the 3rd day, the candidates are asked to sit for an exam. The exam duration is 1 hour and there will be 40 multiple choice questions. 26 right answers chosen, the candidate is declared to be passed. After completing this ITIL Foundation, the candidate has a choice of choosing 2 different paths. One approach is known as life cycle approach and the other approach is known as capability approach. The life cycle approaches are preferred for people who want to become ITIL consultants, service managers, service delivery managers, and senior executives in the organization, wherein people who prefer to be practitioners of IT, the capability modules are meant for them. Each of these life cycle modules have a duration of 3 days, and to complete the entire life cycle modules, a candidate has to go through 15 days of training program cutting across all the 5 life cycle stages. Similarly, on the other side, in the capability, we have 4 modules and each module demands 4 days of training followed by the exam on the 4th day. Either ways, the candidate has to procure at least 17 credits in order to be eligible to take the managing across life cycle. This course is 5 days duration and upon successful completion, the candidate would procure 22 credits minimum. So this 22 credits of minimum points would actually make the candidate ITIL expert. Post ITIL expert, a candidate is expected to implement any of the ITIL best practices back in the organization. Upon successful completion of that implementation, he is expected to write a case study and submit to the Axelos. A panel of 2 to 3 would call the candidate and confirm the knowledge gained through this implementation and award the ITIL Masters. That is all about ITIL qualification scheme. We will discuss about the ownership distinctions in the next video. Thank you for joining. Thanks.